Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. And today we're going to be playing some MLB Perfect Inning. We have 50 of the 60 plus packs to open. I don't know why I'm playing this game on my channel, but let's open some packs. So you got some packs to get through. Got 50 of these. I just kind of wanted to make a video. So yeah, let's get through these. Oh my god, killing it for the first one. 68. That's really good. So basically these packs, they cost 100,000 per 5 guys. So we just made 700,000 from our first pack, right? So yeah, that's a pretty bad pack, 67. You don't want that. You want something better than 100K on every single one of them. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit better or if it's tremendously higher. You just want it to be better than 100. And that's going to be 130. That's not bad. So we got 69 on that. That's pretty bad. 138. We got 15 more packs after this. We're going to do like a superstition or something on these, on the last 2 packs. So, first one, I don't know what we're going to do. Alright, guys, so you don't see me. Maybe you guys can hear this. This is my fidget spinner. I randomly have this in my room next to me, so that's the fidget spinner pack right there. Yeah, fidget spinners aren't that good. I know. This game doesn't like them either. Alright, let's see. What do I have here? Alright. Last pack. We're just gonna dab. What? Okay. Alright, last pack. Not that good, but our best pack was by far that 872 or 62 or whatever that was. So, yeah, that's pretty good. We're gonna do some trades now with the bad cards that we got, which are all gonna be 60s and above. So there we go, 72. We'll take that. Let's go with this guy and these. Let's receive. Alright, we'll just take 31. I assume something from these trades, but it's fine if we don't get anything. That's completely fine with me. We're not going to take that guy. We're going to go with a 91 instead. Let's go right here and take this 60s and above. 61, 62s. 42, not taking that. Taking instead a 9. Okay. Let's go with this. I mean, I would be kind of disappointed if we didn't get anything in these last 2. Oh! Crap! First I saw this guy, and then I saw this guy. Oh my god. Oh my god, 1.2 mil? That's insane. Let's go. Alright. We don't want to trade up this guy. He's really good. We'll just put him on the market next. Once we trade up all of these. Oh! Let's go! 749K. Let's go. Like, I got 2 of these guys now. Other than my Lowlands guys. Let's go! Alright, now we're going to go to the FA market. Let's go ahead, register these guys for the lowest value that they are, just so that they sell easily. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Once I'm done registering as many guys as I can register. Wait for it. Jeez. Okay. We exceeded the max. And yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. And if you guys enjoyed that, leave a like. And yeah, see you guys next time. Let's see what this is. Oh, another 2 of those, the same 2 packs that the same packs I opened. Let's open these. Probably not going to get anything good, but we're just going to open them. Oh! What? Are you kidding me? 206K from one guy and we also sold one of these guys, so we can just put that guy up. We sold the 106. Put this guy up for his lowest. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, and see you guys next time. Peace.